We start with breaking news. Illinois residents who are fully vaccinated no longer have to wear masks in most situations.
WGN's Jenna Barnes is live on the north side with details and the reaction from that. Jenna.
Yeah, Micah and Ray, effective immediately. Fully vaccinated people won't have to wear masks inside stores like Target here. But in Chicago, that easing of restrictions isn't happening, at least not yet.
I do think that the CDC's guidelines are good ones and that we will follow them here in the state of Illinois.
Governor J.B. Pritzker issuing a new executive order aligning the mask rules in Illinois with the CDC's recommendations that fully vaccinated people can ditch the masks in most instances.
It's been a complicated, 14, 15, 16 months of putting in place a mask mandate and making sure that people are following it. And now, obviously, we're working on unwinding it in an appropriate fashion.
Anyone who isn't fully vaccinated is still required to keep the mask on in stores and crowds.
We are relying upon people to do the right thing.
And there are some places where masks will be required no matter what. Those are healthcare settings, congregate settings, public transportation, schools, and daycares.
I don't want to have people lulled into a false sense of security.
Despite the state's announcement, Mayor Lori Lightfoot doesn't appear ready to lift the mask rules in the city. She says just 38% of the city is vaccinated, and she wants the CDC guidelines clarified.
I know that I've been fully vaccinated, as has my wife and others, but we don't know in any given setting who has been fully vaccinated. And I will just say for myself, I will continue to wear my mask, certainly in indoors, but also in certain outdoor spaces when I don't know the people that I'm around, whether they've been fully vaccinated or not.
National retailers like Trader Joe's, Starbucks, and Target won't require masks in their stores if local jurisdictions don't. Some shoppers we met told us the new state guidelines won't change their plans.
I want people to feel safe. I mean, to me, it's not a big deal to wear a mask, so why not?
The governor says there won't be any sort of statewide vaccine passport system. You don't have to prove you've been vaccinated. This will really just be an honor system. We're live on the north side. Jenna Barnes, WGN News.
Thank you, Jenna. Now to a developing